For us, we are enjoying the process of shaping and building a learning environment and culture that has firm foundations of an organic, holistic and pedagogically principled curriculum, which echoes the culture, the cynefin and the values that the school is built on as a member of Cenedlaethol.
Wrth fynd ymlaen ar y daith ddiwygio, mi ydan ni wrth gwrs wedi dod ar draws sawl her. Does i'm angen deud bod Covid ei hun wedi cael effaith ar yr amserlen. Mae'r cyfnodau clo wedi cael effaith hefyd wrth gwrs. Ac felly mae amser hefyd yn y bwgan. Bod ni wedi dechrau nôl rhai blynyddoedd, mae popeth yn gorfod bod yn ei le ar gyfer cychwyn mewn ffordd yn mis Medi. Felly mae amser a'r hyn sy'n digwydd rhwng rwan a mis Medi yn mynd i fod yn allweddol wrth gwrs, a llawer iawn o waith i'w wneud mewn cyfnod byr o amser. Ond i oresgyn yr heriau yna, wrth gwrs, mae yna gefnogaeth i gael. Da ni'n cael llawer iawn o gefnogaeth gan y consortium a gwe yn cynnig webinarau a cyfarfodydd mwyn i ni fod yn paratoi. A mae yna gynhaliaeth trwy'n ymgynghorwyr cefnogi gwelliant. Felly, da ni yn teimlo yn hyderus y byddwn ni yn gallu cyrraedd y lle da ni'n dymuno i gyrraedd mwyn cychwyn y daith yn mis Medi.
Now, we appreciate that in the past 12 months their priorities will have changed. But at the time of these visits, in most schools visited, senior leaders recognise that curriculum development is a key priority, and they allocate enough time and resources to it. A focus on developing staff is at the heart of all of these schools' work. Strategic thinking that has considered teaching, curriculum, skills, and professional learning underpins this work. As part of this strategy, developing a clear vision for the curriculum, teaching, and learning is vital. In most schools visited, leaders have worked effectively with all stakeholders and spent considerable time developing and reviewing a vision for their school and its pupils. A majority have started to construct a vision for their school within the context of the 4 purposes and their own school values. Now, at the same time, these leaders are reviewing the approach to teaching. By focusing on teaching and learning, teachers in these schools have a common understanding and sense of purpose. It's not about what they're teaching, but how they're teaching it.
When we identify what is going well and what is challenging, as educators, we are very good at being critical. And as reflective practitioners, it can also be very easy to identify those areas that are challenging. Assessment for us, whilst an intrinsic role, is still an area of the school that we are keen to continue to develop further to ensure that it really is supporting learners with moving forward. The familiarity of the old assessment system is still hiding in the shadows. And as a staff, we are developing the growth mindset and the resilience to overcome the challenges that assessment potentially could bring.
Part of my role in ensuring that we're leading the change in the curriculum here at Rhwydwaith has been to facilitate that change and to empower the staff and the students and the stakeholders to look at the new curriculum as a challenge, but as a worthwhile challenge that will create something bespoke here for the east of Cardiff, for our cluster. And therefore it's not something that can be done overnight. It takes time to develop a new curriculum. It's not something that you take off the shelf and think that this new curriculum is very similar to the current national curriculum. It is totally different. And therefore our approach here has been to make sure that the staff and the pupils are aware of this and to get their input into what we as a cluster think is important, what matters, and from there on to go and develop, to work this through as a broad cluster curriculum.
Mae'n her hefyd wrth gwrs sicrhau'r continuum tair 16 oed. Mae Mae'n hanfodol wrth gwrs bod ni yn cydweithio hefo yn ysgol uwchradd mwyn cael mewnbwn yr holl staff, felly mae hwnnw'n her ac yn anodd. Ond wrth gwrs, mae modd goresgyn hwnnw hefyd wrth gwrs trwy gyfarfodydd unwaith eto cael yr amser i wneud hynny. A hefyd cael yr amser a'r lle i ryddhau staff i fod yn cynllunio ac yn cydweithio ar gynlluniau eto mwyn cael continiwm rhwng cyfnod sylfaen a cyfnod lefel 2 a'r gwahanol gamau cynnydd. Felly llawer iawn o heria, ond da ni'n ffyddiog byddwn ni'n gallu goresgyn rhain trwy gydweithio, trwy rydweithio, trwy rannu arferion da. Gobeithio byddwn ni yn gallu gwneud hynny yn effeithiol.
Mae'r pwysleision barhaus mae taith yw hon ac nid darn o waith i gyflawni berffedd erbyn mis Medi hefyd wedi bod yn fodd i leddfu gofidiau a chaniatáu'r staff weld hon fel proses adeiladol sy'n mynd i esblygu a datblygu dros y blynyddoedd nesaf.